Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove background in Photoshop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Photoshop. As you can see that I already opened two images in Photoshop. So how you can remove background? So you simply need to click on this lock icon and unlock this layer. After that you need to go on to the properties, scroll down here, and in quick actions you can see remove background option. You simply need to click on that and wait for 3 to 5 seconds. It depends on your PC specifications. So here you can see that background is removed. Let me do with the another image. Unlock this icon, click on this properties, scroll down, and in quick actions click on remove background and wait for few seconds. And now you can see that background is removed. So this is the process by which you can easily remove background in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.